This just came in. This is for organizational purposes. Nothing else is in the bag. And there to put my pencils and pens, nice and neat on my desk. They come in a 3-pack. This looks like 2 might be the same size and 1 might be smaller. Now I'm just looking to put my markers in there. I like to put my markers upside down. They're kind of laying right now on the pull-out shelf on my desk, but I'd rather have them upside down at all times because that way the tip stays wet and I can write out with the marker more without any issues. I think they're all gray. They're just showing you different colors in the box. I'll show you the boxes at the end. I'll scan all this and put it at the end. That's it. Put this to the side. And this moves. So you could put it like in the picture. I'm gonna probably be putting them sort of like this. Looks kind of small, so I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. So let's take a look at these. These are longer, so these will probably work better. Double-sided tape. I think the other one's going to be the same, but we'll double check. This one is going to be tiny, maybe erasers. So the openings here about 1 inch each. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I just got a bird coming to my deck right outside the window. I don't know what he's doing. Anyway. That's that, and then the final one. And I think they are the same size. Yeah, they're pretty much identical. Same size, definitely. Yep, let me just quadruple check. Yeah. Yep, everything's pretty much the same. So 2 are the same, 2 small ones. And that's a close-up look of the small one. I don't know how I should have done the depth too, how deep it is. It's about 2 1/4. And then this is much taller, so pencils or pens will go in here very well. Again, I'll scan this all at the end. Let's set this up on my desk, see how it looks. have any complaints. It's I pinched it between this and this on my desk so that it stays so that the support so it stays in place and it won't come out. It looks good. I like it. I really like it. All right. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.